Pelican Iron and Manganese Water Filter. Pelican Iron and Manganese Water Filter Review. Best whole house water filter for well water with iron. Pelican arrives at your home preloaded and ready to install. The unique 4-stage filtration system contains a sediment filter, chlorination injector, patented mixing chamber, iron trapping filter media, gravel underbed with auto-backwash, and premium carbon filtration. The self-priming chemical removal pump doesn't run on electricity, which helps keep energy costs down and eliminates rust stains on sidewalks and driveways. Pelican is also compatible to use with septic systems. This innovation and technology indicate why a Pelican iron and magnesium water filter is the best whole house water filter for well water with iron. Enjoy a 10 to 15 year lifespan. Your Pelican ships standard. You'll receive a sediment pre-filter system with mounting hardware, a chlorination system with metering pump and isolation tank, a 1-inch bypass valve and fittings, and a generous 50-foot, 3/4-inch drain line. The Pelican measures 62.5 by 38 by 23.5 inches, weighs approximately 45 pounds, and carries 5 necessary water certifications. Warranty: 60-day satisfaction guarantee from date of purchase and 1-year warranty. Pros: WQA Gold Seal certification, proprietary green sand iron removal filter, 1 million max gallon performance guarantee. Cons: injector pump makes loud clicking noise, difficult installation, continuous costly water testing.